Hello students, welcome to online classes of Shri Mahavir International School. Today we will discuss and about the chapter 2, the earth. So the chapter 2 name is the earth. Here first gear-up exercise is given. Look at the given picture. Assume that the globe is earth. Once you can see the picture of globe, you can depict it like a earth. The torch is the sun, and the torch light you can see like the rays of the sun. So you have to answer the below questions. Only assume that globe is earth and torch is sun. What is the source of heat and light on the earth? Sun. Yes, because sun gives us heat and light. Which part of the earth has day? On which torch light is in the front? Like that, the earth, which part of the earth has day? On which, when the earth rotates on its axis, sun rays fall directly on which part? On any part of the earth that get a day. Okay, another part having the night. That's why we have a time difference between different places. Why does half of the earth experience night? Because sun rays couldn't fall on that part. It is dark and it has the night. So you can write down the answers. We have already discussed. Ferdinand Magellan set sail from Spain in September 1519. Okay, he sailed in the same direction for 3 years and reached the same place from where he had started. This proved the theory that the earth is round like a ball and not flat. Before his prediction, many scientists and many scholars have viewed that the earth is flat, but because Ferdinand Magellan set sail from Spain in 1519 and he sailed for 3 years and he came or reached to the same point where he had started after the end of his stay. So he gave the theory to the world that the earth is round like a ball. The earth. We live on the planet Earth. The earth is the fifth largest planet of the solar system. It is bigger than Mercury, Venus, and Mars, but smaller than Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. For a long time, it was believed that the Earth is flat. Before the theory of the Ferdinand Magellan, scholars think that Earth was flat. But later on, it was proved that the shape of the Earth is partially spherical, meaning it is bulged in the middle and flat at the top and the bottom. The flat end at the top is called the North Pole, and at the bottom it is called the South Pole. An information table is given. All the planets in the solar system are named after the Greek or Roman gods and goddesses except the Earth. Means every planet has the name which is the name of the Greek god or Roman god or goddesses. Unique features of the Earth. Why our Earth is different from other planet. The Earth is unique planet because it is the only planet that supports life. Because life is only possible on this planet. The following features help support life on the Earth. First, the Earth is surrounded by a layer of air called the atmosphere. The air we breathe comes from this layer. Because of air, we can live on Earth. The presence of oxygen and nitrogen in the atmosphere favors the existence of life on the Earth. And we have also life supporting gases, oxygen and nitrogen. The Earth is neither too hot nor too cold. This is because of its optimum distance from the Sun. Because Earth is the planet which is not far from the Sun and not nearest to the Sun. The moderate temperature on the Earth supports life. The Earth has a protective blanket around it called the ozone layer. It is present in the atmosphere and absorbs the harmful rays of the sun. Because if we get the direct heat of the sun, we can burn. Our skin can burn. Okay, but because of the ozone layer, we couldn't get the direct heat of the sun. The Earth has water on it. Three-fourths of the Earth's surface is covered with water, which is the basis of life. Because of water, life is possible on the Earth. Large bodies of saline water, which cover a major portion of the Earth's surface, are called oceans. Oceans. There are five oceans in the world. They are the Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean, and Antarctic or Southern Ocean. Large areas of land on the Earth's surface are called continents. We have seven continents. There are seven continents in the world. In terms of size, Asia leads the list of continents, followed by Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, and Australia. Movements of the Earth. How the Earth moves. Earth is not stationary. It moves in two ways, on its own axis and in its own orbit around the sun. These movements are called rotation and revolution. When it's move on its own axis, it is called rotation, and when it's move around the sun, it is called revolution. So it has the two type of movements. These movements cause days and nights and changing seasons on the earth. Day and night are caused by rotation of the earth, and changes in seasons are caused by revolution of the earth. So rotation. Earth spins on its axis and completes one rotation in 24 hours. As it spins, one half of the earth faces the sun and hence gets its light and experience the day, on which part of the earth the sun rays directly fall, that gets the day. Another half away from the sun experience night. As the earth spins continuously, the change from day to night goes on. The earth spins from west to east and therefore the sun rises in the east and sets in the west. The sun does not move across the sky, it's the earth that moves. We see that sun is moving. Okay, in the day we see the sun on the top, and when the night or evening we can see the sun downwards, but that's because of the rotation, or you can see rotation of the earth, not because of the rotation of the sun. The sun seems to move only because we look at it from the earth. Revolution. Besides rotating on its axis. The earth also revolves around the sun. You can see the diagram, revolution of the earth. It moves along a fixed path around the sun. This fixed path is called the orbit. The earth orbit is elliptical in shape. You can see the shape. The earth takes 365 1/4 days to complete one revolution. The earth movement around the sun is one of the causes of the change in seasons. Why we have different seasons: winter, summer, autumn, spring, because of the revolution of the earth. That's it.